Hey boys and girls, this time I'm just going to show you my computer screen instead of my distracting face. This is going to be a little short tutorial on how to find science fiction books on your own using the online catalog. If you start out at the Brighton Central School District homepage, all you have to do is go to Our Schools and make sure you choose FRES. And then the library is under Departments, way down here at the bottom. So you just hover over the word Departments and this will drop down. And you click on Library Media Center. Now once in here you want the FRES Library Catalog, and a lot of the computers are already set up that this will be the page you'll see when you turn them on anyway, so you might not have to go through those other steps, but I just want you to know how to do it. So what I want you to show you today is how to use a keyword search in order to find science fiction books. And a keyword, you need to think about what are some of the words that people might use to describe what is inside of a science fiction book. Words such as artificial intelligence, think about aliens, mutants, robots, androids. There could even be the word mystery in there, although that would give you a lot of books other than just science fiction. So I'm going to start with the word aliens and then click on keyword to see what books use aliens to describe them. So one of the things you're going to notice is that you get nonfiction books as well. This column number, this is a book about UFOs, and obviously it's going to describe aliens as well. I'm going to scroll down and try to find some fiction books because we're looking for science fiction. So you come down here. This one has a call number as well, but we know that 741.5 are the graphic novels. So that is still science fiction. There's a lot of graphic novels that fall under that category. I'm going to just show you, if you click on one of these books, it'll show you all the other words that people have used to describe this book. So these are also words that could work well to find this book if you did a keyword search, such as girls, heroes and heroines, human-alien encounters, extraterrestrial, comic books or graphic novels. Science fiction is right there. And we will go back to our library search because I want to show you if you also search science fiction, that works as well to bring up other books that are considered science fiction. And when they created this online catalog, they went ahead and described these books as science fiction so that the computer could find them if you type that in for your search. So books like Star Wars, again, these are the graphic novels because they're 741.5. But if you scroll down, we're going to see a bunch of different books. And what's cool, so like we go to another page where there aren't so many graphic novels, we get into the fiction, and these are also science fiction books. So let's try this one, the Journal of Curious Letters. When you scroll down the page, again, this one is described as science fiction. There's something about Washington State in there, space and time. We know that that's related to science fiction. And then you just look at the information here, fiction DAS, that tells you it's in the fiction section, and you find the books whose authors' last names start with D, and then A, and then S. And then right over here, it tells you that we have 2 copies available, 2 of 2. So you can use that anytime to find the books that you want on science fiction, and think of some other words that you might use as keywords in order to find a science fiction book. One of the really great things about our library catalog is that it has this option called Title Peek. If you click on that under any book, it'll take you to some great information about the book. It gives you the book cover so you know what it's going to look like. It gives you a quick little summary, and then it gives a review of what other people think about this book and the way it was written. One other thing you're going to need to know that'll be helpful in finding sci-fi books is looking for this sticker on the books. You go to the fiction section, look for this sticker, and you're sure to find something you're going to love.